Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of our presentation is the art of graphic design. In this title slide we will play with the shape of the triangle. For convenience, as usual, next to the design area we have placed the colors we will be using along with their hex codes on that particular title slide, so you can practice with us. We also got the image from Pexels. We will put a link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us, so you can practice with us. So we go to Insert ribbon, we choose Shapes, we choose the right triangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to Shape Format, Size, Height, 9.53 centimeter, it's about 3.75 inches if you have inches in your settings, and width 33.87 centimeter, and if you have inches it's about 13.33 inches if you have inches in your settings. We want to rotate the triangle, so we go to Shape Format, Rotate, flip vertical, and we put it in the desired position. Now we go to Shape Format, Shape Fill, we choose Eyedropper, and we choose the color that we want from the left side outside of the design area. Shape Outline, no outline. We go to Shape Effects, Bevel the first, and that's it. Now we copy and paste this triangle that we have created. Right click copy, right click paste. We want to rotate the triangle twice, rotate right, and we change the dimensions. Height 9.42 centimeter or 3.7 inches if you have inches in your settings, and width 25 centimeters, or if you have inches in your settings it's about 9.84 inches. Now we want to change the color of the background, so we right click, format background, fill, solid fill, color, we choose eyedropper, and we choose the first color from the left side outside of the design area. And let's put another two triangles. We go to Insert, Shapes, we choose Isosceles triangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to Shape Format, Height 4.64 centimeters or 1.82 inches if you have inches in your settings, and width 9.28 centimeters, or if you have inches in your settings it's about 3.65 inches. We put it in the desired position, and we change the color. Shape Format, Shape Fill, Eyedropper, we choose the fourth color outside of the design area. Shape Outline, no outline. Now we copy one more time, right click copy, right click paste, and we rotate it. And we change each color. Shape Format, Shape Fill, Eyedropper, we choose the last color from the left side outside of the design area. We choose both, and we go Shape Effects, Bevel the first. Now we want to insert a flowchart delay. We go to Insert, we choose Shapes, We go to flowchart and click flowchart delay. Click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to shape format, size, height 19.05 or 7.5 inches and width 16.53 centimeters. And if you have inches in your settings, it's about 6.5 inches. Shape outline, no outline. Now we go, right click, format shape, picture or texture fill, insert from a file, click the image that we want to insert inside the shape, click insert, and that's it. We go to shape format, shape effects, bevel, bevel the first. And now it's time to write the title. We go to insert ribbon, we choose text box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We choose from the home ribbon font Aptos, size 48 and color with eyedropper. We choose the last color from the left side outside of the design area and we write the title. Shift apostrophe excuse me, unleashing creativity the art of graphic design, close apostrophe, we adjust the text box, the text, the title. We go to shape format, text effects, bevel, bevel the first. We go to home, we choose bold. And now we go to insert the presenter's name. We go to insert, click text box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We choose Aptos font again, size 20, color eyedropper, the last color outside of the design area, and we write the presenter's name, Martha G. Santos. We go to shape format, text effects, bevel, bevel the first, and we go to home, bold. Now we will put a small rectangle that will separate the title from the presenter's name. We go to insert, shapes, we choose a rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. We choose color white, shape outline, no outline, and we go to shape effects, bevel, bevel the first. Now it's time for animations. We go to the first big triangle, we choose animation, entrance, grow and turn, duration 1, start with previews. We go to the second big triangle, we choose entrance, grow and turn, start with previews, duration 1, delay 0.50. We go to the small triangle, we go to entrance, grow and turn. Duration 1, start with previous, we want delay 1. We go to the second smaller triangle, entrance, grow and turn, duration 1, delay 1.25, and start with previous. We go to the image, entrance shape, duration 1, effect options out, circle, start after previous. We go to the title, animations, entrance zoom, duration 0.75, effect options, object center as it is, as one object, and start after previous. We go to the small rectangle, entrance zoom, duration 0.50 as it is, effect options, object center as it is, start after previous. We go to the presenter's name, entrance zoom again, duration 0.50, start after previous, effect options, object center as one object, and we go at the slideshow button, we click it to see the final result. And that's it. Thank you for watching us. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!